finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup. After 28 years, the parties start in the dressing room, and it's an Indian captain who's been absolutely magnificent in the night of the final.
Hello guys, welcome to Marco Insights. Wasn't that magical moment for most of cricket lovers and all Indian all across the world? Winning 2011 Cricket World Cup is probably the biggest sporting achievement for India in last 2 decades. And why we won that World Cup is because we had a strong team, and most importantly, we were led by the great MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni is the best captain in cricket which India has seen. And he is a brand in itself. London School of Economics has stated that in 2014 has stated that MS Dhoni is 9th most marketable athlete in the world, and Forbes also added that MS Dhoni is 5th most valuable sports person brand in the world in 2011. Still in 2019, Duff and Phelps rated MS Dhoni 9th ranking as most valuable celebrity brand in India. So why MS Dhoni is such a valuable brand? Why brands are so fond of MS Dhoni? MS Dhoni has endorsed in more than 50 brands, including Reebok, Pepsi, Cars 24, Dream 11, Mastercards, to name a few. Why MS Dhoni is such a lovable brand and why brands endorse him so fondly, we will see in this video. So guys, what is the core brand value of MS Dhoni? Like Dove has core brand value of real beauty, Tata Group has core brand value of trust with leadership. So MS Dhoni has core brand value of a cool person who has determination to win against all odds. MS Dhoni is from small town. From small town, he has won against all odds. Without infrastructure, he has grown himself in such a talented cricket player, and through that journey he has become one of the best captains of Indian cricket team and won all 3 formats of game in his career. So this core value resonates with him. Future brand CEO Santosh Desai describes MS Dhoni as like, I will back myself and my team against all odds, no matter what the situation is. So you can see all these kind of things what MS Dhoni does in his on field by taking bold decisions reflects in its core brand value. And moreover, why brands associate this core brand value is because most of Indians want to win in their normal life. All of us belong to small town. We have lack of money, lack of infrastructure, but a person who has had all these kind of things in his life, he was not fortunate enough, still he made big in his career. This is what every middle class Indian dreams of, and this resonates with all the brands and all the companies who wants to endorse Dhoni. Aspect of his brand Dhoni is the brand promise which he delivers. He delivers 3 kind of brand promises. First one is he delivers victories more than the pain of losses, which you can see in his cricketing career. Second is he is the consistent performer. Before becoming the captain of Indian cricket team, he was a good player, but after becoming the captain, he became a better player, more structured player and more complete player. And the third promise which he delivers is the excitement of watching the game. He finishes the game in flamboyant sixes, flamboyant fours, which makes the viewer more happy and more excited to watch the game. Similarly, the Virender Sehwag was also an exciting player, but he was not consistent. And Rahul Dravid was a great consistent player, but he was not exciting. That's the reason why the brand Dhoni is bigger brand than all this kind of other cricket players. So guys, the third aspect of brand Dhoni is brand personality. The personality of any brand should well sit into its brand promise and core values. And moreover, it should look aspirational to its consumer. Here also, brand Dhoni scores really well because at the outset of it, brand Dhoni symbolizes vibrant youthfulness, which resonates across age groups in India. as majority of India is youth and other people in India want to look and feel young. That's the reason why the vibrant youthfulness resonates across various people in India. And other brand personality of the Dhoni brand is he has a natural macho image. His love for bikes, guns, aircraft and friendship with the likes of John Ibrahim makes him a natural macho man, which is also very aspirational to most of the Indians. His personality also includes great risk-taking abilities, which you can see in his various decisions like 2011 World Cup, where he came to bat before Yuvraj, who was the player of the tournament in 2011 World Cup. And also in the final of 2007 T20 World Cup, he gave the ball to Joginder Sharma in final over rather than giving it to the Harbhajan Singh, who was more experienced player. So this kind of risk-taking abilities also makes his brand personality very unique and aspirational across age categories in whole of India. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a decorated athlete. He has won many national and international awards like Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. He was also ODI Cricket Player of the Year for 2008 and 2009. The sports magazine defines Dhoni's personality as a malleable one who is ready to take challenges and is very natural in accepting the mistakes. That's the reason why he was very easily fit into the brands like Reebok, Sony and MasterCard. Hence, celebrity of a brand adds value to it and redefines its brand image, owing to the relevance which consumers can ascertain between the brands and its brand ambassador. So now we wish Dhoni all the best for the life ahead. Thank you. मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय.